Hello everyone, today in this video I will be showing you guys how you can contact Udemy support. For that you just need to open Udemy homepage, and after opening Udemy homepage go to the bottom of the homepage, and from here just click contact us, and after clicking contact us you need to click help and support from this page, and after clicking help and support you just need to click account/profile. After that you will be redirected to this page, and from here just click creating and editing your profile, and from here just click contact us, and there you go, you can chat with the Udemy representative, and make sure the initial chat will be done by a bot, but after a couple of chatting you will be redirected to a human and who will solve your problem easily. So yeah, that's how you contact Udemy support. Hope this video helped you, and if it did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.